Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to sing. Singing is fun and easy. All you have to do is write down some words that rhyme and say them in your sweetest voice, like this.
The king is here, so large and sweet,
See?
with golden crown.
Doesn't that sound nice?
And rings and teeth. I love your feet.
Listen
I
to that
love your
old-timer
face.
croon.
Give me a slice of little cakes.
If you really want to get
Onto
good
my
at singing,
back,
you'll have
I
to learn
roll
how
and
to sing
splay.
extra loud. The
Forgive
louder the
me,
better,
God,
really.
my God,
If you ever go to a
today.
singing contest,
In
you'll definitely
silent
want to be
night
the
I
loudest
sing
of
and
the
scream.
bunch. To sing really
Inside
loudly, just
my
sing like
sleep,
you normally
I
would,
do
except
not
much
dream
louder. Use your
upon
outside
my
voice.
life.
If you
I
can yell,
swear
do it.
to
If you can
thee,
scream, do it.
please
Scream
be my
loud and
wife
scream proud.
on bended
Make those
knee.
judges notice you.
And
Scream
in the
their
morn,
names.
when
Scream
you
for
wake
God.
up
Listen
with
to what he's
spiky
saying in the
thorn
song.
and coffee
Apply
cup,
it to your own life.
I see
Scream
you
it at night.
yawn. I hoist you up. It's fine to look, but never touch. Forgive me, God, my God, today. I promise you to stay away, away from you and all your land. I'll stuff my mouth with uncooked ham. Back to my home I will not go, for mighty God has told me no.